closer to the cake.
Happy birthday, dear Mary Therese. Happy birthday to you.
Come on. Good work.
Yeah.
She ain't messing around.
I'm not eating that.
I do not want in on this. Do you want this?
No. Oh no. No, I'm going to walk away.
It's delicious.
Ready to go.
You ready, Mike? Okay. Oh, Colin,
I thought we were talking about like chasing tornadoes.
Yeah, I thought we were talking about storm chasers.
Right, like the stuff that we had to watch in
Like Twister.
science.
Yeah. Are you recording this?
I'm trying to, but
I'm gonna, like, at the end of the summer, I'm gonna watch all the videos.
will you?
Remember this summer, yeah. Are the things we say gonna be in here?
I'll probably edit it out.
I don't think this is a very entertaining conversation.
I know. Escapades.
Oh my god.
Where are we?
The school. At school playground. Yeah, we
Yay.
like scale things.
Let's
Hey. Okay, who's facing up? You guys are facing that way?
swing. We're swinging. I don't like being on the outside.
Me neither, but
We're swinging.
What's better than tripping is falling in love. What's better than Letterman, Leno Fallon? Started out in Brooklyn back in '96, when the Nets were still in Jersey, but we loved the Knicks. I didn't grow up in a family that hugged and kissed, but don't say they ain't love their kids. Me and some Republicans, and all I wanted was a pool in my backyard. They say we couldn't have fun, didn't have jobs. They say we couldn't pay rent, couldn't slack off, couldn't pack up and take the vacation out in Nassau. Got a private education with a future Goldman Sachs cats. Even tried to duck the bill collector on some app.
It's gonna land.
I am the one, the way your son don't need a gun to get respect up on the street. He threw a ball!
Give me a cup.
He's in the bullpen. Future pitcher right here.
Eddie, I'm thirsty.
Pitty's stealing drinks from the hard-working baseball players. He's stealing. Oh my god. Are you serious? Wow.
What is it? Water.
I just got a new shirt and I'm the most happy man alive.
Are you alone?
I'm alone. And also, a little kid came up to me and complimented my fanny pack today. Yes.
Where's your fanny pack?
Doesn't she have Alzheimer's?
no.
Yeah, she's got memory loss. Aaron's in heaven right now. Look at all this. Look at this BB-8. Oh my god. Look at it. Look. I like your living room here.
Thank you.
It's very nice.
70% off.
Oh yeah? Are you selling things in your house right now?
Yes, please buy this. I'm in debt.
I'm
I'm in crippling debt. Please help.
Get the screen too. Ready? 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 That's how it's done. I'm in heaven again. Look at all these comic books.
How many comics do you have?
Oh my god.
Ah, morning, buddy. Having a good sleep there?
It's $900 for a bed. Dude, this bed is so small.
I really like your bedroom, guys. Congratulations on the wedding the other day.
What was that?
Why are you dressed in all black?
Because I was at the library.
Everybody say something.
Something.
That's it?
Game time!
Oh my god. Why did you get all this stuff?
Because I saw the deals, and I'm a deal maker.
Junior trick shotters.